Hey coders, this is Anmol and you are watching Easy Coder. Today guys, I will be teaching you all how to host a website on GitHub. First guys, you have to type github.com into your browser window and you have to sign up to GitHub. So guys, if you have an account, then you will sign in to GitHub. But if you don't have an account or you are creating the account for the first time, then sign up to GitHub and fill up the details. Okay. Now after you have filled up the details, then a page like this will come up. Then you have to either click on new or you have to click on plus. Now in your screen you will only get a plus option as this will be your first repository. If you are signing in, okay, then you will only get this plus icon and the new button will not be visible. If you have created few repositories, the new button will be visible. Okay, now you have to click on either of these two, and if you click on plus, then you have to click on new repository. New automatically means that you are creating a repository. Now I want to tell you something about the repository name. So guys, it is a good practice of not putting any spaces in the repository name. It is not that it will not accept the repository name, it will accept it. But it is considered a good practice to do so. So I will write it as iframe website underscore website. Okay. Now guys, if you don't know what iframe is, then please watch my playlist on iframe. I will drop a link to my playlist in the description given below, so you can check the iframe videos from there, and I will also drop a link to my previous videos. Now you have to click on create a repository. You can also give a description of your repository, that is completely optional. Now you have to click on upload an existing file. Then you can choose your files from the computer or you can drag them to your repository. Now click on any one file and then just click on any one file and you will do Ctrl A and click on open. So guys, ice hockey, I accidentally added it twice. I will just delete one ice hockey JPG and I will commit the changes. Okay. Now I will click on setting. Then I will press end on my keyboard. Now I will click on check it out here. I will select the branch as main and I will save it. Now guys, you have to click on this link. Now guys, it will show error 404. So now over here you will type the name of your HTML file. Now guys, over here you can see that the name of my HTML file is work.html. Okay. Now same name I will put it. Now guys, after this slash I will write work.html and then I will click on enter. And here's my web page. Now I will send this GitHub link in the description box so you can check this link out from there. I hope you liked this video and this video was helpful to you. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share it with all the other coders to help them out. Until then, bye bye.